My pool aquarite salt generator keeps giving the hot error even though the pool is not hot, and I have tried a new T15 cell. Do I need to replace the motherboard or the front panel board, or is there some way to tell it to ignore the error?
Who manufactured the pool?
Agean Pools in Chesapeake.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The plumbing is leaking at the pump and I tried Flex Seal but to no avail.
If the system reads hot, it is possible the temperature sensor, within the cell, has failed and the cell will require replacement. There is no way to override a hot error code, only a cold error code. Did you replace the cell with a Hayward T15 cell or another generic type? Did you get this locally or online? I would return the cell and try another before replacing circuit boards. Be sure the cell is not directly downstream from a heater. If there is a heater close to it and it is on, it could cause this error code as well. If you are sure the cell is good, then you would replace the main circuit board. GLXPCB right, please remember to rate this question only after you are satisfied with this question. Let me know if I can help further. Stay safe.
I tried a second cell and it still says hot, so I guess the only thing left to try is replacing the board.
Yes, unfortunately. The odds of two cells being bad are not good. There isn't too much to this unit when it comes to the temp sensor. I hope you get this fixed soon and enjoy your pool. Thank you, and don't forget to rate to close this out. I wish I had a magic cure. We all need one right now.
Does the companion display board have any of that functionality?
No, the display board is just for display. The main circuit board is the brain and the display is the eyes. For your eyes to read. Just a LCD display coming from the main.
Okay, thanks.
You are welcome. Please rate and close out.
Will do.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.